Hi, welcome back to Biswas Dancefloor with another dance tutorial. My name is Biswas and today I'm going to teach you Etthara Jenda Video Song signature step tutorial from the movie Triple I. To learn Etthara Jenda dance, watch the full video of Etthara Jenda Video Song signature step tutorial. Let's start.
చూడర మల్లేసా చూడమైన ది భరోసా కుమ్మర గణేశ కుడగట్టర కుల్లాసా.
Start from right leg. One. Along with left hand, elbow outside. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Just go it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? This is it. 1, 2, 3. Simple. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Switch to just like that. 1, 2. Okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, start again. Starting from left leg, right leg. 1, along with left hand. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2. Okay? Just roll your hand and slightly move it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? It's quite easy. Next step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,